Hello students, now we are going to discuss a disease causing organism, that is ant amoeba histolytica. So in the lab you will be given its slide. When you will put the slide under microscope, then you will get such a type of structure. Students, this is the structure of ant amoeba histolytica. Ant amoeba histolytica, it is an endoparasite and it is a disease causing organism. So we will study about it. So first of all, you will write down the classification of this organism. Its kingdom is Animalia, phylum Protozoa, class Rhizopoda, 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 order Lobosa, Lobosa, genus Ant amoeba, Entamoeba, Ant amoeba, and species is Histolytica, Histolytica, Histolytica. So this is the classification. Students, ant amoeba histolytica is worldwide. We find it in whole of the world. It is commonly found in epidemic form of tropical and subtropical regions. It is a endoparasite of human intestine in upper part of the large intestine, that is you can say colon. So it is found in this region. Ant amoeba histolytica, it occurs in three forms. The first form is trophozoite. This is pathogenic form. The second form is pre-cystic. It is non-pathogenic form. And the third form is cystic. It is also non-pathogenic form. So if you see the first form, that is trophozoite form, this is the disease causing most active, motile and feeding form of ant amoeba histolytica. Its size is 18 to 30 meters in size, 18 to 30 centimeter in size. Color is transparent. Body is more or less amoeboid. Its cytoplasm is differentiated into clear, haline, ectoplasm and granular endoplasm. Pseudopodia, which is locomotor structure, it is formed by ectoplasm. If you see the second form, that is pre-cystic form, it is smaller than trophozoite. Pseudopodium is blunt and ectoplasm is same as trophozoite. And the third form is cystic form. Its size rounded. It has a highly retractile membrane which surrounds the mature cyst. Students, infection occurs by ingestion of cysts through contaminated food or contaminated hands. E. histolytica is the major cause of amoebic dysentery. Humans are the principal host, although dogs, cats and rodents may be infected. Students, in this diagram you can see the different forms, that is trophozoite form, pre-cystic stage, uninucleated cyst, binucleated cyst, and this is quadrinucleated cyst. It mainly feeds on RBCs. For that, it ruptures the intestinal wall and causes ulcer. It causes a disease that we call amoebic dysentery or amoebiasis. Students, its main symptom is that the fluid or fecal matter, it contains blood, cysts and mucus. So by these features we can guess that we are suffering from amoebic dysentery.